Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are safe and fine. So today we'll be starting with the very first topic of your English textbook, the poem that is Hug a Wall. This is the very first topic of your English textbook, that is textbook for class 5th. So the name of the poem is Hug a Wall and the poet of the poem is Shel Silverstein. So let's just start with a brief introduction about the poem. In this poem, Hug a Wall, the poet tries to convey the joy of choosing happiness over sadness and peace over war. So the poet Shel Silverstein, he is just trying to convey the message that we should always love each other. We should not hate each other. So let's just start with the poem. I will not play at tug of war. Tug means pull. As you can see, the children here in this picture, they are playing tug of war. I will not play at tug of war. I would rather play at hug of war. That is, here you can see hug of war, where everyone hugs instead of tugs, where everyone giggles. Giggles basically means when we laugh lightly and sometimes repeatedly. When we are very happy, then we giggles. Where everyone giggles and rolls on the rug, where everyone kisses and everyone grins. Grins basically means when we smile broadly. And everyone cuddles. Cuddles, as here you can see. Okay, cuddle means holds in one's arms as a way of showing love or affection also. And everyone cuddles and everyone wins. So this is your poem Hug a Wall. Here the poet, he is just trying to convey this message that we should never hate each other. We should always love each other. We should always try to spread love everywhere. Okay, so this is your first topic, the poem Hug a Wall, written by Shel Silverstein. I hope you all have liked the video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.